In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all pictures, shapes, and objects in Excel. Sometimes worksheets can become cluttered with images, drawings, shapes, or even chart objects that do not belong in your final version. When you only want the clean spreadsheet, manually clicking each item can be slow and frustrating. The method we are going to use selects everything at once, so you can remove it quickly and accurately. First, press the F5 key on your keyboard. This opens the Go To dialog box in Excel. As you press it, watch for that dialog to appear, usually near the center of your screen. If you do not see anything change, press it one time more carefully, and make sure you are in the Excel window. The goal of this step is to access the quick selection tools that let you jump to specific types of content. Next, click the Special button in the dialog box. The Special button provides additional options beyond the normal Go To features. Take a moment to look at the dialog you opened. Then find Special and click it. This is an important step because it gives Excel a way to select objects based on what they are, rather than selecting by cell location. Now select the Objects Radio button. In the Special menu, you will see several choices for types of selection. Choose Objects, so Excel knows you want to work with shapes, pictures, and other embedded visual elements. After you click the Radio button, you should see it become selected or highlighted. This selection tells Excel to include items like shapes and images that are not tied to a specific cell grid in the same way text is. After selecting Objects, click OK to confirm your choice. This is where Excel performs the selection. You should see items on your sheet become highlighted, grouped, or otherwise indicated as selected. Depending on your worksheet, you might notice that multiple objects are now outlined or ready to be removed. This step matters because it ensures all eligible objects are targeted in one action. Finally, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Once the objects are selected, pressing Delete removes them from the worksheet. Watch the sheet as you press Delete. The pictures, shapes, and objects that were selected should disappear. If anything remains that you expected to remove, it usually means those items were not classified as objects by Excel, or they are on a different sheet or layer. But in most cases, this approach clears everything in one go. To make sure you are comfortable with the process, pay attention to the order. Open the Go To dialog with F5. Open the Special options, choose Objects, confirm with OK, and then remove them with the Delete key. This sequence keeps your actions controlled and prevents accidental deletion of unrelated content. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.